If we borrow, they will cover the English so that we can target the entire Northeast. Because first of all, good evening everyone, and thank you so much for your love and support since day one. It's a complete honor for me to be representing my state at the national platform, and what is even more wonderful is we got to win the main title, that is the Miss PNI 2025. So na entire Northeast and na Meghalaya kita mga contestant bani siya. The don't kiwi contestant na kiwi state in India banila contest. So it was a 9 days of pageant organized by Malik Isani, and we got to compete, and it was a very professional training. Nila don't professionals but kilawan naki communication field, naki etiquette field. Isabella Menden Grand Miss International 2022 Ilawan training. And then we had a thorough competition from prelims to introduction round, and then the finale PCLIU ihe hapo YouTube la Krishan laga support jo PCL nalasmu and then finally nalayo open bagay ngachin job yaka kurso ting jogi yaka family jama, and then yaka stage jogi de ngako ben I could be fibaro ko and I wish you support me more in days to come. So, Miss PNI kalong, like it's not conventional. You might have seen some contestants that they don't look conventional. When I say conventional, that means they don't look of a certain height and a certain figure. The main reason why it gives me courage to participate in Miss PNI is because it is an inclusive platform. When I say inclusive, it means it celebrates women in every shape, form and diversity. So I'm proudly saying that my co-contestant, there was a transgender who was a co-contestant, there was a married woman who was a co-contestant, plus size, short height. Otherwise, a girl of my age who is just 5'2" and 31, I would hardly have any platform to go and compete. And this PNI India, they did not see any background where I come from. They just purely celebrated me as who I am. And then I was announced the winner on the merit list. So a big thank you to everyone who have been a part of my journey, my friend here, my family, and everyone who have been a part of this journey. My special thank you to my collaborators, Kong Biani, for this beautiful attire, Kong Mary from MJ Boutique, Nanta Kishipun Kiniki designers Bakila collaborate Banyama, Christina Monica from Bangalore, and also Hui from HM Fashion. So thank you so much for all the love and support. My heart is filled with gratitude, and I hope in days to come we see more participants from Meghalaya and also from Northeast. May we see more winners coming forward and winning the main crown and the main sash and bringing pride to our state and to our people.